What up, homies? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time hanging out with me, don't let it be your last. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hang out with me always. Today we are going to be talking about the Laura-Lee Nudie freaking Patootie. It's the Nudie Patootie, baby. Her name is Laura-Lee, and she gets a lot of shit talked to her about her accent, about this, about that, blah, 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 blah. She comes out with a nude palette, it's a big deal. She comes out with a non-nude palette, it's a big deal. But this bitch can't even take a shit properly without somebody knocking down her goddamn door. Let her live. Let her live, baby. Just let her live. This is the Nudie Patootie palette. It has Laura-Lee Los Angeles' little logo. We have Nudie Patootie. It is like a nude on nude, glossy on matte type deal. This is the unicarton. Came in this super long box too. Oh, child. So again, you have your matte nude background. It feels really nice. And then you have this glossy Nudie Patootie, and then Laura-Lee Los Angeles' little rose gold moment coming at ya. All right, let's take a look. See, I don't care what y'all say. It comes with a little paper. I don't care what y'all say, but these colors are stunning. Like, I don't care if you hate her or you love her. You have to look at how freaking pretty these like glitter freaking foily shadows are. I'm dead right now. All right, I don't know where we're going here. I don't know where we're going, and I don't know what we're doing, but the first thing we're gonna do is prime a little bit. Why am I looking in my camera? Jolie. This is the Kokie Cosmetics concealer that is now at a rate near you. Right, now we are concealed. I'm just going to take some translucent powder, and I am just going to seal the deal with my... If you only see how much stuff I have over here, you would just be like, what the fuck? I just like to seal in the concealer. If I'm going to use concealer as an eye base, this is very, very up to your discretion. People feel very certain types of way about this, so I'm just saying. The first thing we're gonna do is just admire it. Just admire it. That's all. Why is it so pretty? So, like, obviously, you can't help but want to gravitate towards this Jaybird color right here. Like, I want that like all over my lid like nobody's business. Like, I want it everywhere. All right, I'm gonna start off with streaking right here. It's this like nice mauvey, light brownish, not mauvey. It's not mauvey at all. It's a nice light brown color, okay? This one right here. This is gonna be our transition. So I'm just going to take my fluffy brush, and we are just going to place that right in the crease, baby. There's not like a whole hell of a lot of like a kickback. So like when you press your brush into your shadow, that's how you know like how much kickback there is. It's not like over the top at all. It's not bad at all. Some people are not a fan. Some people think it's a big deal. I mean, now some palettes, like Subculture, that was an issue. But, like, I mean, if it's not that crazy like that, then I don't really care. I mean, people were, like, losing their whole pan of shadow just from swiping your freaking brush in there. Like, no thank you. I am not about that life. So, fluffy brush, and we have the color streaking. This one's really pretty. It's like a really light tan nudish color. I'm going to take a little bit of this strip. It's like a mustardy, kind of like a mustardy yellow, a little bit darker than like a real mustard yellow. I don't know. I'm really bad at explaining colors, so bear with your girl, okay? Thank y'all. And take this mustardy yellow color right here. It is called Strip. I'm just gonna coat my brush. And we're just gonna go right here. Keeping it real tight. Like that. Same thing. And just keep it real tight, like so. I feel like these are blending out really well. I really like the colors. Now, like I said, people were upset because they said that, you know, blah, blah, it's a nude palette, blah, 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 yada, 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 da, 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 da. But, I mean, I don't hate it. I really actually think it's really freaking pretty. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take that same brush that I just used to strip, that orangey color, and I'm going to go ahead and dip it into Butt Naked right here. And we are just going to go kind of really tight in here like so. I'm going to hit it with this color up here, Naked. And we are going to go like really, really in that shit. Like that. See that? I'm just going to keep it like that. And then once you make your precise line, giving me like this cut crease vibe. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Got this red shirt. I got this really light under eye. I look like a freaking nut job right now. Orange hands, like, girl. Get your act together. So, I want this, like, darkness right here. I just want to, like, blend it a tidbit. I don't want it to look so just like a harsh line. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Cookie. Such a cute little thing, right? And I'm actually just going to put some right on the back of my hand like so. A little bit more. Okay. And I'm going to take this flat-headed brush and I'm just going to carve out right underneath that dark line that I just made with my concealer. Let's see how this works for me. So, it says for maximum quality or whatever to use glitter glue. I don't have it. It says wet your brush. I can do that, but I still want a little oomph to really keep this on. So, and just see what how the color payoff is gonna look with these really nice looking type of shimmer colors. I'm gonna go into this red one, the Jaybird one. Oh, so freaking pretty. I can't even handle it. I'm just gonna take this Kylie brush. This looks like a MAC loose pigment. I'm just actually like pressing it into my brush. I totally see why she says to use a glitter glue. I totally understand that. Because it's literally like flakes of, like, I'm telling you, like the MAC pigment that you can buy in those little pots. It's literally like that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye. Just going to use the concealer. So what I do when I want to wet my brush is I actually just spray on the back of my hand and then I dip the brush in because I feel like you waste so much water or setting spray the other way around. So if you have lash extensions, this is the way you gotta do it. You gotta keep your brush upright. So I actually just went into Bare, which is this really light pinky color, just to kind of blend out the pink and the dark brown right here. And I just go right over that all, like so. It just kind of softens up that dark smoky line that I made. And then I'm going to grab like a more defined brush like this one. See, the black ones are hard because you don't know if there's anything on them. And then I'm just going to go right here like so. And right here. You guys know how I feel about using your fingers on your eyes. It can only happen if you have fat fingers. You can't do it. It's impossible. If you're one who has fat fingers, let me know how you do it. The very last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this little brush here. I know all my brushes look extremely dirty, but they're not. It's literally just that I've been experimenting with like bright ass colors lately, and they were all like purple and pink, so they really stuck to these brushes. Okay, maybe I need to clean them, but maybe you need to mind your damn business. I'm going to take a little bit of this mustardy brown color, and I'm just going to go up here very ever so lightly. Because I have small eyelids, borderline hooded. So it can get a little difficult when I do my makeup because I like to keep things in the crease, but I have to remember that my crease is different from your crease because my crease is a little hooded. See, that's the thing. If you feel like you're like doing an eye look and you're like, I don't know, it's just not coming out the way I want it to come, always take like a lighter transition color and go right here from like your darker color or like whatever color you have right here. Take a lighter transition color and just go right above it and blend those two colors up. Girl, it will save you time. All right, I'm gonna just do it. I'm doing it. I'm going right into this stark color. We're just gonna throw it up here like so. Let's see if Laura's got us. Ooh, bitch. She has got that highlight color down, homie. Damn. Oh, yeah. Take this little guy. I'm just going to take some of this butt naked. Down here like so. And there you have it. This palette be making my eyes look hella green, honey. There is a little bit of kickback. Like I already told you guys, I do not hate that about it. I think that you definitely need a glitter glue for the shimmers that she has. If you can see that, see how they look? They look like they're almost not pressed, but they are. It's just because of the stuff she uses. See, it's really soft and really flaky. Really, really soft and flaky. So definitely get yourself a glitter glue when you're using these. When you're going to use this palette, this gold one and this middle one. The red, it definitely needs it. It absolutely needs it. I don't hate it using the concealer, but honey, it would look so much better if, it would look so much better if I had a glitter glue. I'm just being for real. I'm just being honest as a motherfucker. Blendability, great. They blend really well. They're easy to use. If you are new to makeup, get yourself a nude palette. Everybody needs a nude palette. If you're a fan of Laura Lee's and you just want to support her, get it. It's a nice palette. It's not like you're not going to use it. These are all colors that you could literally use on a daily basis. And it's a really, really cute packaging. I love the packaging. I think it's adorable. The only thing I have to say is get yourself a glitter glue. That's my only issue. And it's really not an issue. She actually says to do that. It's pretty much like the first thing that she said to do was to get yourself a glitter glue. All right, you guys, there you have it. Here is our eye look using our Nudie Patootie Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. Brand new. Just came out a couple days ago. I was hyped. I was waiting on that website. Again, just to recap, absolutely love the colors. As you can see, they're super, super freaking pretty. Blendability is there. If you need a new palette, grab it. Again, just get yourself a glitter glue. Do not be disappointed because you don't have a glitter glue. You need it. Concealer works okay, but like I said, these shimmers would be poppin' if I got myself a glitter glue. So I'm definitely going to grab it. I will definitely try to film another look using this palette, but I do not hate this palette. I think it's pretty good. So grab it if you haven't already. So anyways, you guys, there you have it. This is the look I created with the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. Why do I keep doing that? Alright, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, you guys, till the next one, peace out, and hopefully I don't have Oompa Loompa hands. Bye.